morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on your location and depending on where you are watching me from, please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you. I want to quickly say something about COTPS and BN Trust. People's reaction towards BN Trust and COTP. So I've been going around online, seeing people's comments and how people are sharing links of BN Trust, and BN Trust is almost taking over COTP. So many people have joined the platform already. And there is one particular point that people are making that is disturbing. So many people are talking about that they are saying that COTPS that BN Trust is the reincarnation of COTPS. That COTPS promised to come back within 3 to 5 working weeks. Then later they came back with BN Trust. I don't know. I don't know why people are. I don't know who gave them the information to think that BN Trust is COTP, or is it because they look the same? So I would like, if you are watching this video, I would like you to share your own opinion on the comment section, so that other people who don't know anything about this particular issue will understand. But for me, I don't know if BN Trust is new COTP. I don't know. But what people, because I was in one Telegram group and people were arguing about that. That's no need to worry about that. COTP is not coming back. That they brought another website called BN Trust to deceive people. But you know, all these things, everybody is just saying their opinion. Nobody knows what is real and fake. So I met another guy online. I saw another post online. Another guy was saying that in BN Trust, what you have to do there is hit and run. Once you deposit, even if it is $100 you made or 50, just run, because they are going to run down very soon. So people are just saying their opinion. People are saying their opinion. You as my fan, you as my subscriber, I would like to know your comment, your opinion on this particular issue. Do you think that COTPS, that they brought another website, another platform called BN Trust, or do you think it's a lie? Please, I need your opinion on the comment section. We don't have to be dull. We have to be discussing one thing or the other until COTP comes back. So please, and also if you want to be receiving some updates, and if you want to be seeing all these things that I'm saying with your eye, if you want to be getting them directly to your phone, there is a link on the description, Telegram link, which you can join the Telegram to be receiving update and be chatting with some other people to know what's up. Because there are a lot of experts on the Telegram group who can tell you, who can answer your question, and the rest of them. So that is it for now. If you are just joining for the first time, please, I still urge you to subscribe to this channel, because we will be bringing more and more updates every single day. And very soon I will make a post concerning another way and another platform on how to make money online, because that is why we are here. This particular platform, the Zero Media, is only on how to make money online. And also, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not your advisor. Anything I say here, I'm a human being like you. I'm also a hustler. So anything I drop here, you have to do research before you join. So don't just join because I said it. Do your own diligence. Do your own research. Do your own discovery. before you join any platform that I will mention here now and in future, so that you not say that this nigga introduced this platform to you and something happened and you're not praying for anything to happen. But before you do anything, make sure you accept with your mind and decide to do it. So that is it for now. This is Luzero Media. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. God will bless you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.